Good morning, Hapinoy travelers, and we are here in Vietjet Air, and we're headed towards Lat Vietnam. Our flight for today is VJ360, so join us as we explore what the lot can offer. Our flight is estimated to fly at 5:45 a.m. It's already 5:24 in the morning, and make sure to have your coffee to wake you up. Make sure it's a strong one. So sit back, relax, and I'll see you in the lot. See you, Hapinoy travelers.
Bye.
And we landed here in Lat. So we arrived here at Dalat, and we're riding the Dalat taxi.
Hello.
Hello.
Mata. Mata. Here. Okay.
Okay, So taxi fare is $160,000 dong, and we rode the Dalat taxi. So upon arrival, malamig, about 14 degrees centigrade ang weather because this is located at the high mountains. And on the way, nakita namin yung bed of clouds or sea of clouds. Ano ba ang bed of clouds? Sea of clouds, whatever it is. It's clouds. Alright, see you at the city. By the way, travel time here is about 23 kilometers from the airport. So let's wait. ano, kulit ng driver eh. Ano yung pangalit? Medyo traffic. Parang Baguio nga. Pero malamig. Mas malamig. Kanina 14 degrees. So, ito na yung mga rows of hotels. Ito naman, may pine tree. So, parang Baguio nga. Malamig, meron din chilly weather. May chill factor. Ayan yung mga hotels. So, hindi na to sa mga touristy spots dito sa Vietnam. So, later magbibigay tayo ng first impression. Coffee in dollar and iced coffee. So, ang in-order ko ay isang hot coffee kasi medyo malamig dito. Ang temperature nga dito kanina ay 14 or 15 degrees. So, temperature for today is 19 degrees, mostly sunny. And I think over the next day, it will be a good weather for us here. Cloudy on Wednesday, but that's okay because we are going back by the time. Alright, so now we're having breakfast here at King FT.